Welcome to the June market update for Oahu residential real estate. I'm Tom Presler, joining you from Coldwell Banker here in Honolulu, Hawaii, and there's a couple of things I want to highlight with this month's report. There have been some important changes in the trends that we've been seeing the last few months, as well as a very different picture emerging for the Oahu single-family and condo markets. Closed sales volume continues to decline when compared to June 2019. We're starting to see the results of several months of decreased closed sales, with median sales prices down 3.8% for single-family homes and 2.5% for condos when compared to June 2019. However, closed sales are improving when compared to the 3 previous months since the pandemic-related economic slowdown. It's too early to call it a positive trend with any of the statistics, but initial indications are that things are improving and the Oahu market can possibly return to a normal market for this time of year. In the single-family home market here on Oahu, the year-to-date median sales price has remained stable with a 1.3% increase over 2019 year-to-date median home sales price. This is mainly because there's been a proportionate change in supply and demand. Not as many buyers are out looking for homes, obviously, but also not as many owners are comfortable selling right now. In the condo market, year-to-date median sales price has also remained stable with a 2.1% increase over 2019 year-to-date median sales. However, supply and demand is very different for the condo market. The demand for condominiums has dropped at a greater rate than supply. This is driven by the slowdown in the economy, just as it is with the single-family homes, but we're also starting to see the effects of the city and county crackdown on illegal vacation rentals. I also suspect the pandemic-related economic slowdown is having a much greater impact on the buyers of the lower-priced condos than the buyers of the single-family homes. To wrap up, I just wanted to point out a couple of things. Right now, Oahu real estate is really tentative, and there's a lot of variables that need to go the right way for things to get back on track. The government subsidization of our economy with the CARES Act, PPP, PUA, as well as the cloud of forbearance resolutions will have an impact. I think some of the symptoms of our economy are hidden and only time will tell. The second thing I want to point out, as I've mentioned several times before, is that each neighborhood, each building, each price band is a unique market with its own unique statistics. If you're wondering what's going on in your neighborhood or with your property, please feel free to reach out anytime. I'll be happy to take the time to answer any of your questions and get you the information you need to be able to make the right decision for you and your family about whether it's the right time to buy or sell. I thank you very much for your time. I hope you have a great day, and please take care.